Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Voltas, whether you should buy this consumer company or avoid it. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Voltas, I have more requests that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you pay for 10 months, you get 12 months access. That means if you pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access straight away for all the podcast and the material that I put up for $10 members. For detailed market or company talk or a number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, it formally established in 1954. Voltas provides a top-class AC for business and retailers. It is a leader in commercial AC service segment and it has nationwide presence. The market cap of the company is around 33,000 crores. It has very good return ratios as well. If you look at the numbers, then these are the Q3 December numbers. Then sales went up by around 35% in December and profit went up by around 45%, which has been a remarkable performance. Low debt, and these sales and profit numbers went up because of lower costs on the you can say the variable cost dropped a lot because of retrenchment and a lot of other things. Low promoter holding but high DII holding is there, and return on equity of around 13% is improving with such kind of results. Operating profit margin is around 7%, which is okay but can become even better going forward. If you look at the performance, then stock has given smart returns over the last 5 years. It has done really well. It has strong leadership value and brand value in the AC segment. So there's one company that is Blue Star that is doing extremely well, and then there's Voltas also that especially does well in larger ACs. When you talk of 2 ton, 2.5 ton ACs, 1.5 ton ACs, there you can say Voltas has been doing extremely well, and especially in you can say environments or in conditions where the temperature goes up and temperature variability is large. Voltas has been doing well. The management is absolutely top class. It is the Tata management, and it has low net profit margin. That is a negative in my case, and that is a cause for concern, and probably the NPM or the net profit margin should be closer to 12 to 13% rather than in single digit that it is right now. It has done pretty well in the last 12 months and has been doing extremely well. So what has happened is the stock is at around 970, 980, which is quite a decent levels even after the correction. It has, if you look at over the 3-4 year period, it has done extremely well. It is slightly expensive at 72 times earnings, but once things normalize, once things get back on track, numbers are set to improve and they do provide very good dividend. So this is a play on opening up of the economy. When things get really good, the stock could surge appreciably. It's one of the opening up trade that you can play. So it is a long-term gem in my opinion. Reasonable valuations on a long-term basis. So if you look at say 5 years down the line with the kind of AC penetration that is currently there, that's the fourth point here. AC penetration in India is at single digits, and this is going to improve. It is just that now the economy needs to get back on track and people need to go out. So it will take a little bit of time, probably a year and a half before the things really normalize and all. But after that, this could become a gem. So a good 4 or 5 year play. Market cap of around 33 to 35,000 crores is not that big. It can easily be a 80 to 1 lakh crore company, 80,000 to 1 lakh crore company. Low promoter holding but high institutional holding is pretty good. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, buy at current market price and on declines. It is a market leader. If you have a good 3 to 4 year time frame, this could end up being giving you 18 to 20% like returns. It is extremely difficult to trade such stock because the movement is extremely less. But over a 4 or 5 year period, this should be a very good buy. So this is my video on Voltas. Please like and subscribe and channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.